Hello?
Jake Shields, how you doing? It's Aaron True.
Hey. Doing good, man. How you doing?
Pretty good. Today I'm joined by Jake Shields, who takes on Jason Mayhem Miller November 7th on CBS for the Strikeforce middleweight title. Jake, this is going to be your first big title fight at 185. Your body looked a lot better hydrated during your fight with Robbie Lawler. How do you feel at 185?
I feel great at 85. No for cutting weight. I get to eat. It feels great. I think overall, I think 70 is probably my best weight, but I think I'm certainly capable of fighting both weights.
Well, you were on Bully Beatdown twice. Is there any bad blood between yourself and Mayhem, and how did this fight come to fruition?
No, no bad blood at all. I've always got along fine with him. But we're more acquaintances than friends. I'll have no problem trying to beat this face in. It just came about. I think it's a fight that makes sense. Mayhem's pretty popular right now. I'm getting popular. I think it's a fight that people in the U.S. want to see. So I think it should be a good, exciting fight for the fans.
Were you surprised that Kung Lee vacated his title and didn't want to fight you at 185?
No, Kung Lee's trained with me. He doesn't want to fight me. I wasn't surprised at all. I expect to see Kung Lee come back, but I don't think Kung Lee will ever fight anyone in the top 10. Kung Lee's a good guy, but he's more interested in being famous than being a real fighter.
So what kind of training camp are you going to put in for this fight with Mayhem?
Oh man, just like always, train as hard as I possibly can. I'm always trying to juggle up training, trying to get Nick to help as much as possible, and Nate and those guys, and lots of lifting. So I'm trying to stay big for this fight. Running, just pretty much doing everything like always.
Where are you training at? You're still at Cesar Gracie, and then you have your own gym, and then you box.
Yeah, I have my own
you
gym
box
in
somewhere
Berkeley
too, right?
Yeah, boxing over at King's Gym, and I got my trainer Tarek, Zim, so boxing, kickboxing, doing everything. It's a busy schedule, a full-time job for me. So.
What is it like working together so closely with Nick and Nate and Gilbert? You guys seem like a really tight crew. I always see each other, or you guys at the other guys fight in the corner or supporting them. So what is it like to have a tight crew like that?
It's awesome having a tight team like that. A lot of places you go and see it's a bunch of guys training with you, like ego, and guys not really a true team. And we're all, true friends and a true team, and we've been together for about 8 years now. So it's a great feeling having guys that really truly want to see you succeed. So we really got each other's backs, and we try to help each other get better.
Well,
I think that's why we've all been so successful.
I'm sure you've heard Herschel Walker at age 47. He's going to make his debut at Strikeforce. He's a 6th-degree black belt in Taekwondo, but I don't know how that translates onto the ground. What do you think about that?
This is the first I've heard of that. I think it's great if that's what he wants to do. I don't think he'll really be much of a contender, but if you guy wants to fight, I got to respect that. Nothing bad I can say about that.
And lastly, let me get your prediction for the fight against Mayhem.
I think Mayhem's a tough fighter and can take a beating well, but I think this is my time. I want this. I'm training too hard, and I'm just gonna beat the crap out of him. I don't really know how it's gonna take place, but I plan on finishing him at some point in the fight. I don't care if it's a knockout or submission, but I'm going out there to put him away.
Actually, I sold Wolf tickets. One more question. Is it fun going on Bully Beatdown and beating up those bullies?
It actually is. It's fun. These guys are a bunch of douchebags. You go down there and smack them around, and you get to fight without taking it too serious. And that's kind of nice.
Well, Jake, you've been on a roll, or actually you've been on a tear for a lot of years now, and we wish you the best of luck November 7th on CBS against Mayhem Miller.